guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's CM Vlogs. एंड आज का वीडियो गाइज बहुत ही हमारे पहले वीडियो से थोड़ा अलग होने वाला है बिकॉज टुडे आई एम गोना टॉक अबाउट दिस शूज फ्रॉम शू ऑल्स. तो गाइज ये प्रॉब्लम आप लोगों ने भी फेस तो किया होगा कि जो शूज बाहर से बहुत ही सुंदर दिखता है वो शूज आप दिन में जब लगाकर घूमते हो तो रात भर आपको पेन मिलता है. बट गाइज नाउ यू डोंट नीड टू वरी because now I have something exciting, which is the shoes from Shoe Alls, where style meets comfort. So guys, now experience comfort on the go. So guys, आप लोग सोच रहे होंगे कि ये शूज क्यों दूसरे शूज से डिफरेंट है. This shoe has a vibration chip that helps improve circulation as you walk. So जैसे जैसे आप वॉक करते हो वैसे ही आपको वाइब्रेशन मिलता है. It is the perfect blend of style and comfort that keeps you walking on cloud all day long. It has Medicure vibration chip. It also promotes blood circulation, joint protection, body shape improvement. It comes with arc correction effect. It helps relieve muscle pain. The vibration chip embedded in Shoe All's functional shoe contains a neodymium magnet, and the plate in the middle generates vibrations when slight impacts occur while walking, even in a stationary state. The attached vibration module operates semi-permanently without power, charging or batteries, and help relieve pain in the body. Since it's functional footwear, function comes first. The secret of the functional shoes designed with ergonomic precision praised even in Europe. So guys, now I'll tell you the benefits of these shoes. इसमें है arc support and it reduces fatigue by correcting posture and lessening pressure. And it has soft cushion which provides relief for the back, legs and knees. And it has acupressure effect which stimulates the soles of the feet, aiding in health management. It is shock absorption PU cushion and spring. Springs are inserted into the PU cushioned sole which nodules to absorb shocks and correct posture. Helping with walking, it stimulates the joints of the toes to alleviate fatigue and boost biological energy. This shoes has a chips at the bottom back. I've been wearing them for a while now and I have to say I'm very comfortable in them. The cushioning is great and the support is just right. I've worn them for long walks, while walking out, and even just running errands around town. Might be thinking, wait, what's that chip on the shoe? And yeah, I'll admit it, there is a chip. Honestly, it doesn't bother me at all. In fact, I kind of like it. It adds a bit of character to the shoe. Overall, I'm really happy with these shoes. They are comfortable, supportive, and I love the way they look. After all, your feet are essential for good circulation. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful. You can also order yours now. Thank you for watching guys. Do like, share and subscribe. Bye bye. Love you guys. See you in my next video. In our next video. Bye bye.